Hey guys, it's Shay of Black Photography. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, welcome back. If you're in the US, we are currently in the middle of our winter season. Depending on exactly where you are, you might be experiencing some cold weather. While I think that is great for like the winter wonderland vibe, it can be a bit of a pain if you shoot instant film in the winter. In today's quick video, I'm going to talk about some of the hazards of shooting instant film in cold weather and what you can do about them. Alright, let's jump in. Cold weather has the potential to change the look of your instant photo. For those of you that don't know, the way instant film works is that the developing chemicals are stored under one of the borders of the film frame. When you take a photo, light hits the film and burns the latent image on the photo section. As the photo is ejected out of the camera, the developing chemicals are pushed out onto the photo portion and a chemical reaction happens to start developing your photo. At temperatures in range, your photo will develop like normal. However, in colder temps, the film chemical reaction may be a bit slower, which can lead to less color contrast and a more blue or green tint of your photos. You might see this more with Polaroid than with Instax. Here are some tips to help you avoid that blue-green tint. This will more so apply to Polaroid, as Instax holds up pretty well to extreme temperatures. Tip number 1, let your film come up to room temperature before you load it into your camera. I usually wait about 15 or 20 minutes to allow that to happen. Tip number 2, load your film indoors if you can. This will help protect your film from the elements like extremely cold weather or lots of moisture. Tip number 3, keep your loaded camera out of the elements when you aren't shooting. You can wrap your camera in a scarf, keep it on a strap close to your body under your jacket, or keep it in a bag. Tip number 4, after you take your photo, try and shoot it away from any wind or extremely cold weather while it sits on the frog tongue for a few seconds. This will also protect your image from the sun, which can also change your image. And tip number 5, place your photo in a pocket or somewhere close to your body so it doesn't get bent and can be in a warmer temperature while it develops. Bonus tip, you could even try placing your photos in a preheated insulated bag. So place some hand warmers in the bag for a bit until the inside warms up. Remove the hand warmers, and after you confirm that the bag isn't too hot, place your film in that bag. This bag can be both useful for unused and used film. So that's how cold weather can affect your instant film, and a few simple tips you can do to still get great photos all winter long. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments where you're shooting and what camera you're using. Don't forget to give this video a like if it helped you, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep practicing, keep having fun, and I'll see you in the next video.